up friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Bailey from Incredibox Sprunki. So first let's get started with the glasses. So on the top, we're going to start by drawing in a straight line that comes over to the right hand side. On both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in, leaving a gap in the center. And now from here, from that point, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes directly in towards the middle. And we'll just join those lines together. Now on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then in on the right for our right eye. And then we'll do the same as we move over on the left-hand side, leaving a gap in the middle. Now let's move over towards the outside, starting back on the top. Again, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the bottom. Now on both sides, we're going to draw in a circle. Moving around that now, let's draw in the rest of the glasses. So starting on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. We're going to move across on the right-hand side and replicate that, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off on the top now with a straight line, bringing this all the way over. On both sides now, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that joins in at a point. Now from here, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes up in the center. Let's close off the bottom of the face now. So we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, bringing that up on the right. For the mouth, we're going to curve this line up. And then underneath that, connecting that together, we're going to curve this line up again. Now let's draw in the antenna on top. So leaving a gap, we're going to curve this line up, then out, and then moving over to the right of that, let's replicate that again, curving this around and then down. Let's close this off on the left-hand side now with a circle. Now for the top of the head on both sides, we're going to arch this line down. For the eyebrows, we're going to curve this down towards the goggles. Now for the ears, let's draw in a diagonal line that comes out. From that point, we're going to bring this diagonal line down towards the middle. Now from the center, we're going to bring this line down towards the bottom. And then from that corner, we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards the side of the head. Now starting on the top, we're going to bring this line out, curving it at the end, bringing this back down. Let's move in towards the middle, bringing this diagonal line out. And then again on the bottom, moving over. Now let's move down, drawing in the body. We're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out. Let's close this off with a curved line. Now from here, we're going to start on the left-hand side, curving this line around. And then back in on the right. Let's draw on the duck head now. So we're going to curve this line around and then down. For the beak, arching this line out, back in. On the top, let's draw in the eye. So we're going to draw in a small circle. And then on the top right-hand corner of that, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight. Coming over on the left, we're going to arch this line down. And then moving around that, we're going to curve this line around, back in. Let's close off the torso underneath. So we're going to, again, continue to bring this diagonal line out. And then we'll do the same on the right. And then now from here, we're just going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Bailey from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.